Here's a challenge. Can AI really build a complete professional brand from scratch? Now, Design.com is sponsoring this video, but I'm going to test it properly and give you my honest take, the good and the bad. And the short answer is, mostly yes. From a single AI-generated logo, I ended up with this entire identity for a made-up company, Mountain Peak Adventure Tours. So let me walk you through how it actually went. It started with just a name, Mountain Peak Adventure Tours. No logo, no colors, no branding, only an idea on a blank page. So what does a brand actually need? A logo, colors and fonts, a website, business cards, social posts, and marketing designs. Normally, that's weeks of work with a whole design team. So let's see how many of these AI can genuinely handle. It all starts with a logo. I type in the business name, pick a few style preferences, and add a short description of what the company actually does. Then I press enter, and Design.com generates a whole batch of concepts tailored to an adventure travel brand. And I'll be honest, the variety genuinely surprised me. Mountains, compasses, badges, modern marks, vintage emblems, clean minimal icons. Each one comes with its own color palette and font pairing. So you're really previewing a whole little identity, not just a symbol. Now, are all of them winners? No. A few look a little generic, and some feel pretty similar to each other. You can tell the AI has its favorite shapes. But there are real, usable options in here, designs I'd actually be happy to put on a business. I can scroll through as many as I want, regenerate for more, and filter by style. After a proper look through dozens of them, I found one that captures that rugged, outdoorsy feel I was going for. So I'll pick my favorite and start building the whole brand around it. Now this part is genuinely clever. Instead of wrestling with complicated design tools, I can edit the logo using plain English. I type, replace the sun with a compass, and a moment later it redraws the icon, keeping the same style and colors. It's not always perfect on the first try, but when it lands, it saves real time, and you really don't need any design experience at all to use it. With the logo done, here's the part that actually impressed me the most. That single logo becomes the foundation for everything else I make. Let me show you with a business card. I head into the templates, pick a style I like, and right away it drops my saved Mountain Peak logo straight onto the design. From there, I just fill in the details: name, job title, phone number, email, website, and the brand's colors and fonts are already applied for me, automatically. I'm not copying hex codes or matching anything by hand. It just knows what my brand looks like. In a couple of minutes, I've got a clean, print-ready business card that genuinely matches the logo. For the vast majority of small businesses, this is more than good enough to actually use. And here's the powerful part. The exact same flow works for everything else. Social media posts, flyers, posters, presentations, letterheads, even email signatures. I pick a format, and every single one pulls from that same saved identity. The logo, the colors, the typography all carry across, so the whole set looks like it was designed together, as one consistent brand. That kind of consistency, done this quickly, is the thing that really sells it for me. Then comes the big one, a full website, generated automatically. I choose the website option, tell it a little about the business, and it builds a complete multi-section site from the brand I already made. We're talking a hero section, services, an about area, a gallery, a contact form, all of it already there, and the branding is right there with it. My logo sitting in the header, the Mountain Peak colors running throughout, the fonts matching what's on my cards and posts. It genuinely feels like our brand, not some generic template I've dropped text into. From here, I can edit any section live, rewrite the hero headline, change the buttons, swap out the images for my own, reorder things. Now, let me be fair, this isn't going to replace a fully custom, hand-built site for a large company with very specific needs. But for getting a clean, professional, on-brand page online in minutes instead of weeks, it's honestly hard to argue with. And it even gives me a one-click mobile preview, so I can check how it looks on a phone, and it's just as tidy there as it is on desktop. And here's where it all comes together. This is every design I made, side by side, and the consistency is the part that really stands out. The same logo, the same colors, the same fonts, carried across every single format. Social posts, cards, posters, websites. Whatever its limits, keeping a brand this consistent across this many designs automatically is genuinely useful. So, my honest verdict? For the speed, the quality really surprised me, and the consistency is the standout. It's not flawless, you'll still want to fine tune a few things, but as a starting point for a brand, it's seriously impressive. And that's the experiment. Honestly, I came away impressed. Like I said, the opinion here is entirely my own. If you want to try it yourself, the link's below. Thanks for watching.